Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Made Simple. Digital skills for everyone, step by step. I'm Donfik, CEO. I'm Donfik Tech Side. I want to welcome you officially to my YouTube channel. Donfik Tech Side is a digital and IT institute where you can learn. We also provide services like web design, project setups. But basically, on this YouTube channel, you can learn everything you want to learn. Why you are here? If you wanted to improve your digital skills, whether it's learning basic computer operations, mastering Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Digital My Word, or at the long run, building your own website with WordPress, then you're in the right place. This channel is designed for beginners to experts, age 13 to 40 years. At 40, you might still want to learn digital skills. Here's the right place for you. People, anyone who wants to learn step-by-step practical lessons, here. Every week I'll be sharing tutorials, mini projects that you can easily follow, that you can easily learn. It will include practical based approach. These tutorials are useful for individuals, businesses, if you want to go on personal growth, even organizations, institutions. You can have a lot to learn from this tutorial. That's what I can promise you. So yes, if you want to learn digital skill, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell, and let's learn together. Just do well, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell, let's learn together. Thank you.